Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today the video is about practical questions for digital logic and sequential circuit part 1. That's a wrap for this video. Before you go, please drop down your questions in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one. Till then, happy learning.